Why to live in Navi Mumbai when life in Shilfata is so much easier? Today I'm here at Arihant Avanti Palace, the tallest tower located at a prime location, Shilfata. Shilfata offers more affordable pricing and emerging connectivity. It's the central and buzzing location compared to Navi Mumbai, making it a better value for money option for home buyers. कैसे? चलो बताती हूँ. It's at the half price of Navi Mumbai, 12 minutes away from Ghansoli and Koperkirne railway station, 8 minutes from business hubs, easy connect to the upcoming international airport as well. The thoughtfully designed 1, 2 and 2 BHK office flats come with dedicated office space. Yes, when I say office space, I mean a separate area for work. So now you can seamlessly manage your office work from home. It begins at just 45 lakhs. Yes, you heard me right. Half the price of Navi Mumbai. यहाँ हर घर एक palatial masterpiece है, designed to offer unmatched luxury and
जैसे सीरियल्स के सेट महलों जैसे होते हैं, वैसे ही महलों में रहने का सपना तो सबका ही होता है। हाय, आई एम निशी। आपने मुझे सीरियल अनुपमा में देखा होगा एज डिम्पल। और फाइनली मेरा ये सपना पूरा होने जा रहा है एट अवंती पैलेस बाय अरिहंत ग्रुप लोकेटेड एट शिल्फाटा।
ये प्रोजेक्ट एकदम हाईवे के नजदीक है।
मीन्स यू विल बी एट द सेंटर ऑफ ऑल।
और अगर कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो मॉल्स, मार्केट प्लेसेस, हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन और बिजनेस हब्स सब यहीं आसपास हैं।
Arihant Avanti Palace is also the tallest tower of Kalyan Shilfata Road. The project features 6 stunning towers, each rising majestically with a stilt plus 41 story. और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगी 40 प्लस।
क्या आप डोंबिवली में घर देख रहे हो बट यहाँ के ट्रैफिक से परेशान हो? Then this reel is for you. Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Shetty and as an influencer, my shoots take me everywhere and most of my time is lost navigating through traffic grind that really gets me exhausted. So today I found the perfect escape, which is the Arihant Avanti Palace located in Kalyan Shilfata Road.
Shilfata is right on the edge where many developments are happening that gives you an opportunity to get out of the traffic.
अब डोंबिवली में रहने के लिए डोंबिवली का ट्रैफिक फेस करने की जरूरत नहीं।
Shilfata offers better long-term investment potential, more modern connectivity and affordable prices compared to Dombivli.
बताओ इसका कनेक्टिविटी क्यों बेटर है as compared to other location?
Upcoming Airoli-Katai Naka, easy access to Navi Mumbai International Airport, well connected to the upcoming bullet train, close proximity to renowned schools and colleges, surrounded by malls and corporate hubs. And when it comes to lifestyle,